I've had no experience in car restoration in the past. This is the first time I've ever turned my hands to anything mechanical. I really do love being able to transform stuff. I don't know why I chose this car. Sometimes I think maybe the car chose me. My name is Steve Daniels and this is a 1966 Volkswagen Beetle. Based on the chassis number, the manufacturing date was August of 1966. So I found this car up at Maryborough, which is in central Victoria, and it was a car that was clearly ready for restoration. In my head, I knew that it was going to look like this. But what we saw was a 60-ish year old car that looked like nothing had been done to it in 60 years. So it was a full restoration. So this is my single car garage. This is a 1941 house, so it wasn't made with the thought of anybody having a second car. So it's a pretty tight space, but this is where the restoration of my car took place. So my experience level coming into this was 0 on anything to do with automotive or engines. So the entire restoration was done by me, like everything. It's like upholstery, the engine, panel work. I bought a welder, taught myself how to weld. Like every time you start with a particular part and it goes from this looks like rubbish and now it looks like new, there's a lot of mini sort of satisfying outcomes. And when the new headliner went in, it just had that, because the headliner is such a big piece of material, you get a big transformation really quickly. So when that went in, it was like, oh wow, this is stuff, and now the stuff looks good. The radio is original to the car. It's made by a company called Asta. It's a 6-volt tubed, wireless, AM only.
Belarusian Foreign Minister Vladimir Marin.
Now, it only had one knob, and I found one that someone was willing to sell for $25, which was great, but it was out past Warragul, Traralgon way, so about a 2-hour drive to get to it. And the joy in finding that one part was well worth the $25 and 4 hours of driving. The thing that I like best about the restoration project of this car is that it's not just a car, it's a vehicle that's made up of many separate little subcomponents. Then when it's completed, what you've got is a car at the end, but that is just the outcome of 100 separate little mini projects. I've loved every moment of it. It has provided me with a diversion through some pretty tough times. It's a proud moment. I will always have this. I'll always be somebody who has restored a car. I can add that to my list of achievements.